Looking to upgrade your lighting, but access to the ceiling plenum is difficult? Are there unknown hazards in the ceiling? Look no further than Tracelight as your go-to quick and efficient retrofit solution.
I'm going to show you just how easy it is to install our Retrofit center baskets and flat panels.
Forget about dealing with hazardous materials or making a mess. With our Retrofit kits, installation only takes 3 minutes, saving you precious time compared to the usual 20-minute ordeal. Watch as this installation is completed. No mess, no disruption, and the room can stay in use throughout the process. Our kit is designed with simplicity in mind, requiring just a 2-rail mounting system unlike our competitors' kits, which need 4. Plus, all our fixtures come standard with field switchable CCT and wattage and auxiliary sensor receptacle. Battery backup options are also available for path of egress lighting.
And there you have it, a new efficient lighting setup without the usual headaches.
Upgrade your lighting with Tracelight by Baron Lighting Group. Contact us today to learn more about our Retrofit kits and bring effortless lighting solutions to your next project.